Hey everybody, Shane here with SwickTech, and today I want to show you how to install and get signed in with your OneDrive to access your files. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but any web browser will work for this process. And we're going to go to portal.office.com. If you've previously signed into your account, you'll be able to just click it here and get signed back in. You may have to type in your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my password to get signed into my account. And away we are logged into our Microsoft account, and so you'll see it's going to kind of load the general Office portal here, and you'll have OneDrive as an app option across the top. So we're going to go ahead and click OneDrive, and once it opens up, you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner you'll have the Get OneDrive app option. So we're going to click that, and it's going to prompt us to download OneDrive from Microsoft's website. Once we click download, it'll ask us where to save that file. I'm going to go ahead and save it in my downloads folder. This process may be slightly different on a different web browser, but generally speaking, you'll get this OneDrive setup executable file, and we're going to want to run that once it's downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And we can go ahead and close out of our browser at this point. It may prompt you to say yes to install the file or enter in your password. If so, go ahead and click yes or enter in your information. And you'll see the OneDrive screen just kind of flew by and installed the app there. So once it's installed, it won't actually warn you, but you'll see it down in your system tray here by the clock. If you expand that, you'll have the OneDrive file, and you can go ahead and click on that to get signed in. Alternatively, if it doesn't show up in the system tray right away, you can go to your start menu in the bottom left hand corner and start typing in OneDrive here, and you'll get the same app. So once we get this sign in screen, you can go ahead and enter in your email address to sign in. And when you click sign in, it may prompt you for your password. It may pass your credentials through from your computer. It's just going to depend on how your PC is set up. So once we've got our OneDrive account logged in, you'll see it's going to point you to where your OneDrive folder is, and it's going to show you a few tips and tricks for using OneDrive. We're going to go ahead and click through these, and the last one here will say Open My OneDrive. So once you click that, you're going to get your OneDrive folder, and you'll see it'll pretty quickly start to populate with your user files that you have in your OneDrive. Alternatively, there's a couple of different ways you can access these files. From the taskbar, if you expand that and you see your OneDrive file here, you can click that and choose Open Up Folder to get to your files. That's going to access the same place. And then another method, if you click your File Explorer in the system tray or taskbar down here, you'll now have a OneDrive link with your company organization associated to it. If you click that link in your Quick Access menu bar on the left, you're going to go ahead and get your OneDrive files right there in your File Explorer. So that's how you install and sign into your OneDrive. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@swicktech.com.